So, here we are outside. We're going to use our device to ensure that we've positioned the tripod in an appropriate place. So to do that, simply going to have exhaust detailed here, microphone detailed here. And all I have to do is position that so that I know I'm at a 45-degree angle and that I'm half a metre away. It's important to be at the 45-degree angle, because if you're doing this all day, we need you to be away from those exhaust fumes. So that's why we're looking at that 45 degrees. I'm happy with that positioning, and I can now simply have the car engine revved and then press and hold my button 3 times, and I've got my data set. So now we're back in the warmth. We just want to see what the screen looks like, but we thought we'd do that inside. So once you're on your vehicle noise section of the interface, you can just use these buttons here to scroll through various parts of the instrument until you see the part where it says vehicle noise. You have this positioned correctly. Your vehicle is running the correct RPM, and please reference your ISO standard, depending on the vehicle. You have the vehicle hit the correct RPM and then let it slow down and idle, and you need to do that 3 times. Then you'll have your 3 LAF maxes, which the instrument will then be able to give you your LA rep. So how do we get those LAF maxes? We just use this device here, press and hold that button down, you'll see the number appear. Once while the engine's idling, take your finger off, get those revs back up to the appropriate level, press that button again, hold it down, let the vehicle idle, switch off, and one more time, correct RPM, idle, remove your finger, and there's your LA rep immediately calculated at the top for you. Thank you for your purchase. See you again soon.